Hi, welcome. If you've ever wondered why hotel content is still such a mess, you're not alone. From outdated visual to inconsistent descriptions, poor content doesn't just look bad. It costs hotels bookings and breaks guest trust. I'm Sarah, and in this short video, we'll walk you through two real world scenarios and show exactly how broken content leads to lost revenue, unhappy guests, and a damaged reputation. Most importantly, we'll show you how Iceportal Content can fix it. All right, let's check out scenario one. A large tech company is searching for a venue to hold their annual summit, the most important event of the year. They have a solid budget around $100,000 to secure the perfect location. Two marketing leaders are reviewing options when they come across Ice Hotel. But here's what happens next.
Hey Natalie, check this out. Ice Hotel. Have you heard of it? Looks pretty perfect for a summit. The location's great. I found it on Google Maps and I just sent you the link. So take a look and let me know what you think.
Oh, yeah, I see what you mean. The location is perfect. Yeah, those screens and the projectors, they look pretty old. And the tables and chairs, eesh, the whole setup feels kind of outdated. I'm not sure it's really up to what we need.
Yeah, exactly. With photos like that, it's hard to picture it as a good fit for our event. I don't want to get our boss upset by suggesting something like this.
Totally. Let's move on. I do remember there's another venue a bit further away, but it looks much nicer. Maybe we should go check that out.
Actually, we completely renovated our ballroom and event spaces earlier this year. With new screens, furniture, decorations, everything looks amazing now. We've already updated our website with the new photos, but unfortunately, not all of the channels have been updated yet. Some of the old pictures are still showing online. We are working on it, but with so many distribution channels, it's a huge workload.
Sometimes one small thing gets overlooked, and it happens to everyone. But in this case, missing a single update on one distribution channel meant losing a potential $100,000 contract just in meeting space and F&B alone. We all know keeping everything updated across multiple channels is a huge workload. That's exactly what Iceportal Content is built for. You update your content once, the platform detects it, and automatically pushes the latest updates to your visuals and descriptions to all connected channels. It's fast, it's consistent, and it gives you full control, so you never miss out on opportunities like this again. Also, it will significantly reduce your workload. All right, let's look at scenario two. Two friends planned a trip and were looking forward to rooftop drinks at a hotel they found online. Everything looked amazing, especially the rooftop bar, but they didn't expect what happened next.
Hey, so yesterday I found this incredible rooftop bar. It's gorgeous. Look at this night view. It's incredible. Also, it's 2 hours away from a natural park that we can go visit on Saturday, and only 2 hour drive. So I really want to go. Shall we book it?
Oh wow, that looks so cool. Exactly the vibe I like. Isn't that Ice Hotel? My sister booked it once and she said it was not bad. Let's go for it.
Hello, welcome to Ice Hotel.
Excuse me, may I know the opening times for the rooftop bar, please? Are they the same on Saturday and on Friday?
I'm really sorry, but the rooftop bar is currently closed for maintenance.
Oh, wait, it's closed? Really? Since when?
It's been closed since the beginning of the month. We've posted a notice here at the front desk and also on our website.
But that's not what it says. We checked it before the booking. It still showed the rooftop bar as open. This bar was the main reason we booked this hotel. Honestly, we want a refund or some kind of compensation. This is not what we expected.
As you can see, inconsistent information doesn't just frustrate guests, leads to lost revenue from refunds, and can seriously damage your reputation. In this case, one outdated service information on just one channel turned a 5-star experience into a 2-star review. That's where Iceportal Content comes in. We take the pressure off your team. We help you manage guest expectations, avoid miscommunication, and prevent those moments of disappointment. Because let's face it, no one wants to repeat a bad hotel experience. If you want to protect your hotel's revenue and reputation while making your team's life easier, let's talk. Thanks for watching.